time, love, and support. Lastly, as the year has come to an end, I hope we're all unnecessarily bad influence and unhealthy